the question proposed to me is, what does biking mean to me? And I think biking is personal, and that's what's so great about it. It's really a personal expression, and there's so many different routes that you can take, and so many different routes I've explored through my pursuit of a hobbyist and a career professional in the industry. You can do anything from road race to drag race, on-road, off-road, building customs for long, low, and mean for looks, or customs for performance. So what's so exciting about motorcycles to me is it's really a personal journey to find, what's your niche, what do you like, what are you good at, what do you enjoy, how do you enjoy to customize the bike, or do you prefer a stock bike? Do you prefer a sport bike versus a chopper, or a bobber versus a cafe? And what's great is the personal expression that everybody can find within this hobby.